Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create storage backup between two S3 buckets in different regions by using cross-region replication function of Amazon AWS. Amazon S3 is a simple storage service that offers an extremely durable, highly available and scalable data storage at very low cost. I will create a source and a destination S3 bucket. Then I will create 3 cross-region replication rules for 3 different types of backups or replication. One for entire bucket replication, one for specific folder replication, and one for object with specific tag replication. Finally, I will delete some of the objects from the source bucket and observe the impacts on the destination or backup. So I am at AWS Management Console. I search for S3 and start the S3 service. Now I create a source bucket and give it a name. I choose USA East, that is North Virginia. Then I choose the option to keep all the versions of the object in the same bucket. Then I create the destination bucket, give it a name, and I choose a different region than the source bucket region. I chose US West, Oregon for the destination bucket. I also select the option to keep all versions of an object in the same bucket. The source and destination buckets have been created. In the source bucket, I upload a file, but I have not created any cross-regional replication rule yet. Now I go back to the destination bucket and refresh it to see if the first file has been replicated. There is no file. Now I go back to the source bucket and open Management tab and select Replication. Then I create a new rule. I select entire bucket replication. Select the destination bucket. As the IAM role, I select S3 CRR role and give this rule a name. Then I save the rule. Now I go back to the destination bucket and nothing has been replicated. Now I go to the source bucket, upload a file, and then I go to the destination bucket and refresh it. Now I can see that the file has been replicated. You notice that I uploaded a file before I created a rule, and that was not replicated. I uploaded another file after I created the rule, and that file has been replicated. So the rule applies to all the objects that are uploaded after the rule has been created. Now I create more objects in the source bucket, and as the entire bucket replication rule has been applied, everything I create in the source bucket should be replicated in the destination bucket. As you can see, everything I create in the source bucket get replicated in the destination bucket. In the source bucket, I will create another replication rule, but before that, I will deactivate the full bucket replication rule so that I can see the new replication rule result. After deactivating the full bucket replication rule, I can see the objects in the destination bucket are still there. So from the source bucket management tab, I select replication, then add rule, then prefix or tag, and then I give a prefix. Next I make sure the destination is selected, and then I give a rule name and save. In Amazon S3, folders are considered as prefix. So I create a folder and upload a file inside that folder at the source bucket. Now because of the prefix based rule, the source folder and its content should be replicated in the destination bucket. So I go to the destination bucket, refresh it, and verify that the folder and its files have been replicated. Now we go back to the source bucket, and from its management tab, I create a new rule for the tag based replication. I create a tag by using key value pair. Make sure that the destination bucket has been selected. Give a name to the rule and save it. Please note the key value pair for the tag. I have to use this same tag with an object to be affected by the rule. Now I go back to the source bucket, upload a file after attaching the same tag for which I created a rule. Then I go to the destination bucket, refresh it, and see that the tagged object of the source bucket has been replicated at the destination bucket. Now I go to the source bucket, delete different objects, then I go to the destination bucket, refresh it, and I find that all of the objects that were deleted at the source bucket are still in the destination bucket. So I have created a source and a destination S3 bucket in different regions. Then I created 3 cross-region replication rules for 3 different types of backup and uploaded objects in the source bucket and verified that the objects get replicated in the destination bucket. I deleted objects from the source bucket and observed that the backup were not affected by this deletion. I hope you found this video helpful. If you like to receive notifications on future videos, please make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Thank you for watching.